Test tayo, Trident MK2 CRB. Shoutout kay Sir George. So nakakimad handguard siya. And Krytok markings. Krytok mags. Yung kabilang side. So naka siya, speed trigger. So kasama out of the box is itong sights, front and rear sights. So adapter, may kasama na rin siya for Tamiya to these, and then rail adapter. Okay, so battery compartment, guys, ang kasya sa kanya is small Tutsi type battery dito. Sige, test natin, check natin kung ilang FPS o TV. Price is 21K. Auto. Galit. So for details, guys, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.